name is Michael Delaney. I'm the Attorney General for the state of New Hampshire. I'm joined this evening by Senior Assistant Attorney General Jane Young, who is the Chief of the Criminal Justice Bureau of the Attorney General's Office, and Major Russell Conti of the New Hampshire State Police. We have just returned from the Portsmouth Hospital, where we have had an opportunity to meet with some of the families, friends, and relatives of the officer who was killed and the officers that were involved in this incident. We also had an opportunity to speak to most of the police chiefs of the agencies involved. And I do have some information to share with you this evening regarding the identities of the officers involved in this evening's incident in Greenland, New Hampshire. Police Chief Michael Maloney of the Greenland, New Hampshire Police Department is 48 years old. He served 12 years as the Greenland Police Chief and had a decorated law enforcement career of 26 years. Today, he was serving in his final days as a law enforcement officer prior to his scheduled retirement. And in those final days, he sacrificed his life in public service as a law enforcement officer in New Hampshire. Our hearts, our thoughts, and our prayers go out to his family and his loved ones this evening. The 4 officers that were injured in the incident this evening and received treatment at the Portsmouth Hospital are as follows. Detective Gregory Turner, 32 years old. He is a 6-year veteran of the Dover, New Hampshire Police Department. He was treated and released from the Portsmouth Hospital, and he sustained a gunshot wound to his shoulder. Detective Eric Kohlberg is a 7-year veteran of the University of New Hampshire Police Force. His age is 31. He also was treated and released from the Portsmouth Hospital, and he sustained a gunshot wound to his arm. Detective Scott Cookish is a 10-year veteran with the Newmarket Police Department. He is 33 years old. He is in the intensive care unit with a bullet in his chest. He obviously sustained a gunshot wound to his chest, and he is pending surgery at this time. And finally, Detective Jeremiah Murphy is a 7-year veteran of the Rochester Police Department. He is 34 years old. He also is in the intensive care unit at the Portsmouth Hospital following his surgery, and he sustained a gunshot wound to the chest. We also ask you to keep these officers in your thoughts and prayers this evening. The scene at Post Road remains active and ongoing. We continue in a standoff situation. I have no further updates on the investigation at this time, and we hope to update you at approximately 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Thank you all for being here, and I'm not going to take any questions at this time.